You can agree with me that this our skin actually has some pores that whenever we use anything can go directly into our bloodstream. So if you apply tattoo on your skin, it can actually find its way inside your bloodstream. Welcome to my channel. People want to know the link between tattoo and cancers. So having a tattoo doesn't mean you are going to be having cancer. It's just that having a tattoo also increase your risk of having cancer. You want to ask me why? I'm going to tell you today. The first thing is that some of these tattoos actually contain some heavy metals like lead, which when our body is exposed to it for a long time, it can actually increase the risk of having cancers. For example, liver cancer, as a result of long-term exposure to these heavy metals. And second thing is skin irritation. Some of these tattoos can actually irritate our skin or make our skin to react. And if this continue for a long time, it can cause what we call chronic inflammation, which can predispose our skin to be having cancer. Then the thirdly is the ultraviolet radiation. Any skin that tattoo has been applied, it is going to be predisposed to the effect of ultraviolet radiation from the sun than the normal skin. And this reduction in protection from ultraviolet radiation can actually increase our risk of having cancer. Also, what are the safety tips for tattoo lovers? Because some people actually love tattoo and they cannot do without it. So what are the things that you need to know to prevent your risk of having cancer being a tattoo lover? The first thing is you need to use licensed artists who follow safety standard. This is very important because if you're using a licensed artist that follows safety standard, he or she is going to know the one that will predispose you to some deadly disease conditions more than others. Secondly, is that you need to protect the area you apply tattoo. You need to protect it from sun. You can apply sunscreen. You can use sunshade. Then thirdly, you need to avoid tattooing over birthmarks. If you're tattooing over birthmarks, actually increase your risk of having cancers. So you need to avoid it as much as possible. Then lastly is that you need to monitor your skin for any changes. You need to monitor the color. If there's any abnormal growth around the area that you tattoo. So if there is any of this, you need to present at your hospital for adequate and expert checkup and treatment. Thank you for watching this. Kindly share it with your loved one. Share with all tattoo lovers that you know. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel.